All right, guys, I'm over here at AJ's Tires. We are doing the swap over to the welds. So say goodbye to the chromes, but I'm gonna be selling these. So hit me up if you're interested. Swapping everything over. I'll have another video once everything is done, and I'll talk to you guys later. Oh, getting the wheels put on. Over here at AJ's Tires. Wheels look good. You like them? Yep. Brand new. Yep.
Like before.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're right.
Now it's going to be really good.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? It looks pretty good. Nice. I got the cutouts for it.
Yeah.
It's gonna get louder. Yes, sir. Looks good. Ah, she's looking good. What do you guys think? Chrome or the welds? I think either way it looks good. I like them both ways. But the welds definitely are lighter. It looks killer. I like it. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Take care. All right, guys, I'm over here at my favorite park, taking some photos, and I'm gonna reveal to you the new wheels that are on the Bird on Project Trans Am, and here they are. What do you guys think? These are weld Venturas. They're 17 by 9 in the front, 18 by 10.5 in the rear. I like the chrome that was on there. I like those wheels too. But there's something about these that just make this car look aggressive. I mean, you guys can see it for yourself. It does look a lot more aggressive. I mean, they're like perfect fitment. These are 18 by 10.5 in the rear with a 54 offset. And they fit perfectly. Actually, I have a little spacer on there too, but if I took that off, it would be pretty close to the edge there. So it looks really good. And then these are 17 by 9 with a 45 offset. So that's what this setup is. So 17 by 9 in the front, 18 by 10.5 in the rear. What do you guys think? I think it looks killer. We're going to be doing, I guess next month, we're going to be putting it into the shop to get some suspension work done to it and get ready for the cam, intake, and heads. That's going to be next month after all the holidays are done. Got too many things to do. So, but this is just a little short video of the new wheels that are on the car. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks great. I like them both ways. Both ways look really good. So let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, this is a little short video. I'll talk to you guys soon. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.